In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to TikTok Shop. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Connecting these two platforms can open up a world of possibilities for your online store, making it easier to showcase and sell your products directly to a vibrant community of TikTok users. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to ensure you have active accounts on both Printify and TikTok. If you haven't set them up yet, take a moment to do that. Go ahead and create your Printify account at printify.com and make sure your TikTok account is set up as a TikTok shop. The TikTok shop option is usually available within a business account, so if you haven't switched to a business account yet, now would be a good time. Once you've got both accounts ready to go, it's time to head over to your Printify dashboard. If you're already logged in, you'll find yourself in the heart of the platform, where you can manage your products and orders. If not, simply log in with your credentials. Now, let's find the integration settings. Look for the option that says Manage My Stores or Integrations. This is usually found in the main menu, and it's your gateway to connecting with different platforms. If you've already explored Printify, you know there are various platforms available for integration, but today we're focusing on TikTok. Once you've clicked on Manage My Stores, you should see an option to add a new store. Look for TikTok among the available options. Take your time to locate it because the layout may change, but TikTok is usually prominently displayed. Once you locate TikTok, click on it and follow the prompts to begin the integration process. Now here's where it gets a little more interactive. You'll be asked to log into your TikTok account through Printify. This is a crucial step because this connection allows Printify to access your TikTok shop, so it can automatically manage product listings and sync order information. Just enter your TikTok login details when prompted, and make sure to give Printify the necessary permissions to operate on your behalf. After you've successfully logged in and granted the permissions, Printify will establish that all-important connection with your TikTok shop. You might see a confirmation screen letting you know that the integration was successful. If for any reason you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to double-check your login credentials. Sometimes, a small typo can lead to a roadblock. Now let's talk about what to do once you're connected. You can start adding products from Printify to your TikTok shop. Head back to your Printify dashboard and create or select the products you want to sell. Make sure your designs are appealing and your products are set to the right specifications. High-quality images and well-thought-out descriptions can make a big difference. Once your products are ready, you will find an option within Printify to push these products to your TikTok shop. Follow the prompts to ensure they are smoothly transferred. Sometimes this might take a moment, so be patient. Once the products are in your TikTok shop, take a look at how they appear. You want everything to look just right, so check out the product images and descriptions. Now you're all set. Your Printify products are integrated into your TikTok shop, and you can start promoting them to the TikTok community. Utilize TikTok's unique features, such as live selling or engaging challenges, to drive traffic toward your shop. Remember, creativity is key on TikTok, so don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content to showcase your products. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel more confident in connecting Printify to your TikTok shop. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy selling!